Okay. Finish the intro. But first, we're back at it again. Green team versus yellow team. This is our FIFA game. If you need to look at the instructions, go to our first video, red versus orange. And again, I'm going to have to fix this goal. And I'm expecting that you just came back from the first video. And yes, this will be yellow side's goal. This will be green's goal. I'm going to unset the dogs now. And usually this is the point where it speeds up. Boom, 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 boom. This is our yellow team. Yes, I know that there's babies. Gosh. The player count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, the moment I touch this ball, the game starts and it will be sped up. Why are you guys? Look, I'm gonna just hit it over here. Alright, and the game is officially started. Yellow team, this is yellow team's goal, by the way, so why are you guys trying to shoot into there? I don't know, green could lock in right now. I have a good feel. I want green to win this thing. And if you can hear that over the 2 times speed, then that's oh my god! Oh! Goal! And if you watched the last video, you know that the first goal equals the win. And if we just zoom out real quick, green team was over here and they got scored on. So yellow team is sorry. Green team is out of the challenge. This is a very short match, surprisingly. Maybe I won't even speed it up. But with that, that's the end of the video. Goodbye. I hate this game.